Hey everybody, so welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about backpack sprayers, and I'm going to show you the benefits and the features of the new one that I just got, which is the Flow Zone Typhoon. I've had these other ones for a while, except for the Echo. It's brand new, but I've had this Red Max one for years and years, and it's dedicated just to Roundup for spot spraying weeds and flower beds and stuff. I don't use this one much anymore. I started using the Still after that. The Still has been a great backpack sprayer, no problems with it. I do use it for spot spraying weeds. I don't put Roundup in that one. This one, like I said, is dedicated just to Roundup. I try to keep one for Roundup, and the other ones I can use for like different chemicals for the lawn. The Echo, I think I just got the other day. I'm gonna replace it, the Red Max, with the Echo, just because this one's getting really tired. And I'm going to start using the Echo just for Roundup. But Flow Zone sent me out this one to try out, and this is the first power or battery powered backpack sprayer I've ever owned. All of these are just manual piston or diaphragm type backpack sprayers. So this is the first one I've ever got my hands on as far as battery powered, and it's like night and day difference. I'm not going to do an unboxing video because I think there's already a bunch of those on YouTube, but I want to test out this one. Let's see what the flow is, the rates are. Obviously these are all 4-gallon capacity backpack sprayers, but with it being the battery powered one, I've changed it up a little bit, and I'm going to show you what I've done. So this is a 5-position, let's see, 5-position variable pressure backpack powered backpack sprayer, Flow Zone Typhoon 2.5. It comes with everything you need, obviously right out of the box. You don't have to do anything to it. It comes with the charger. This is to mount the wand. It's a little bracket to mount the wand on the sprayer. It comes with this little extension right here, which is kind of like quick couplers, I guess you would call it, kind of like a pressure washer wand would have, or airline. It comes with different nozzles and tips. This one actually has the T-Jet. This is a T-Jet fan nozzle, fan spray, but it comes with miscellaneous other sprayers, spraying tips. But I'm going to do something a little different, and I'm going to show you what I've already done, and I think you'll think it's really neat. So you're wondering what this bucket's for. I've marked on here 1 gallon and 2 gallon. This is just a 5-gallon bucket. That way we can test how long it takes to put out 1 gallon or 2 gallons. So this is the first sprayer that I've ever seen to come with this type of wand. It's more like a pressure washer type wand. You can put the extension in there, or the extra tips, the T-Jet, tip and all that. Most of them come with like this type. That's what I'm used to. But that Red Max is well used. The Still is well used. I don't have a problem with any of these. These are just manual. So I wanted to go with a battery powered one. Now this right here would be great for the average homeowner or professional. Spot spraying weeds. You can do so many things with it. You can stain a fence or a deck. You could spray it on cleaner on concrete to pressure wash it. You could spray insecticides, bug killer around your house. It could do all kinds of things. You could put degreaser in it and clean your car or your truck or 4-wheeler with it. So obviously backpack sprayers have a ton of uses. But since we're focused on lawn care, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. I got some adapters I had laying around, and I put a Lesco gun on it. And it has the blue nozzle, which is I think 1.5 gallons is how they measure that nozzle. But I use this on my spray rig every day for my job. So I really like this. It's totally rebuildable. It's a good gun, durable, gets banged around. This one's obviously brand new, but I drop them, they get drug across the concrete, across the road, everything. They hold up really good. So since I have all these other sprayers to cover everything from Roundup to spot spraying weeds, I wanted to set this one up as like a turf application backpack sprayer. So you could do pre-emergence with it, fungicides, insecticides, liquid fertilizers, growth regulator, you know, those type of things for the turf. Also, like I said, you can put liquid fertilizer in it and do like your Japanese maples, your arborvitaes, all your trees and shrubs around the property. But since this is battery powered, it should have a consistent output versus the manual ones you have to pump. So the pressure is constantly going up and down. When you pump it up, it has, you know, so much pressure and so much flow. And then as you use it, the pressure goes down, and obviously the volume of liquid coming out goes down as well. So it's not consistent. It's fine if you're just walking around and spot spraying different weeds in flower beds or in the grass, but you're not going to use this to put like pre-emergent down on a big yard. You know, it wouldn't be very consistent or accurate. This one I'm thinking will be, because it's battery powered, and now I have this gun on it. This is a 1.5 nozzle from Lesco. This is the Lesco gun, totally rebuildable. I use them every day with my work, so I'm familiar with them. They work awesome. You can make probably a better adapter from the hose to the gun, but this is just kind of what I rounded up out of the garage just to make this work for the time being. I probably won't change it unless it starts leaking or breaks. So let's take a look at this Flow Zone and see what kind of output it puts out. So I have my bucket here marked with 1 gallon and 2 gallon, and I'm going to fill the sprayer up with water, and we're going to test how much output it puts out. So right off the bat, I'm just going to say that it's not about, this video is not going to be about how junky this brand is versus this brand. I'm not into that, because I've used these every day. These all work. They're just not going to work for what I'm trying to do, which is like liquid applications. Some of the features I've noticed with this thing is how well designed it is, and how nice it is. It's like the Cadillac of backpack sprayers. It obviously costs a lot more, but you get what you pay for. So it has all these different straps and padding. It's got a handle right here, which is really nice, really thick straps. It's got like a strap that goes across your chest, a strap that goes across your waist down here, and it has 5 different positions. I'll show you right here. 5 different positions. You could turn it totally off, and then 1 through 5. 5 puts out the most, 1 puts out the least. So we're gonna test the different rates and see how much it puts out in a minute's time with my 5-gallon bucket. Okay, so we're gonna start with the number 5, which is the highest setting. Let's just see how long it takes to fill up. Okay, that's 1 gallon right there, and that was 45 seconds. We'll see how long it takes to get to 2 gallons. and that's 2 gallons right there. So that's 1 minute and 30 seconds to put 2 gallons into that bucket. My big commercial sprayer that I use every day is set up to do 2 gallons per minute. So this one's doing 2 gallons in 1 minute and, what'd I say, 45 seconds. So a little less. But backpack sprayers, they typically go off of 1 gallon per 1,000 square feet, which obviously if you walk faster or slower, that'll change. So I think that if you put it on level 4, this one was on level 5. If you put it on level 4, we may get to that 1 gallon per 1,000 square foot setting. So let me fill this thing back up and then we'll test it again on the next setting. Okay, so now we're on level 4, setting 4, and we're gonna retime this and see how long it takes to fill up. All right, that's 1 gallon right there. And it took about 45 seconds. So I wonder if we go to setting 3, if we'll be down to the 1 gallon per 1,000 feet. Because the average, we can walk about 1,000 feet in a minute. Okay, so I want to show you the spray pattern of this Let's Go gun. And I'll do it again for you as well. But you can see how much it puts out and how even the coverage is. Okay, so this is the first setting. This is the second setting. This is the third. This is the fourth. And this is the fifth. So like we said, this is the fifth one, and it's putting out a lot of liquid. So obviously we need to calibrate this in order to know how much product I'm putting out per square foot, but this is what I plan on doing with this backpack sprayer. So that definitely beats pumping with your hand. So this is the first setting. This is the second setting. This is the third setting. Fourth setting. And then obviously you've seen the fifth setting. So you can cover a lot of area with this thing. The limitation is just the 4 gallons, which you wouldn't want much more than that on your back because it would be so heavy. So you just have to fill it up. Like if you had 10 or 12,000 square feet, you may have to fill the sprayer up 2 times, you know, or 3 times to cover the whole property. But this is going to work out perfect for like back here or doing trees and shrubs, things like that. Yeah, this thing's awesome. And I'm not the first one to do this. I didn't come up with this idea. I've seen it on Facebook groups and maybe Instagram, but someone else has done this and I got the idea from them. I just don't remember who it was, but it's awesome. I can't say enough good about it. This definitely beats pumping. It's way more consistent. In my day job, I could treat small properties with this without having to drag like a long hose to a backyard. Overall, I love it. This thing's so cool. See, it's running out of water now. And you can just shut it off so that the pump doesn't keep trying to pump. So I just want to thank Flow Zone for sending this out to me. It's an awesome backpack sprayer. Probably the best on the market in my opinion after I've used all these other ones that you've seen. It's a total game changer for homeowners and professionals like myself. Like I said, I can use this thing on small properties, doing tons of different applications. And then for homeowners, you can use this on your property as well, doing the same type of applications and get really consistent pressure, consistent coverage. The Let's Go gun you pick up at Site One. I think Flow Zone is sold at Site One as well. So you could get both of these things and then go by Home Depot or Lowe's and pick up some adapters to make the gun fit the hose, and you'll be set up just like me. And I'm going to be doing more videos treating this grass back here with different products from different manufacturers like Green County Fertilizer and then some other ones. So stay tuned for that, and I hope this gave you an idea or option that you could use for yourself. I can't recommend them enough. Thank you. And I will put a link for this backpack sprayer down in the description of this video. It's an affiliate link, and I believe you'll get a small discount if you purchase through that. Save yourself a little bit of money. They sent this out to me and had it on my doorstep in, I believe, 2 days. So fast shipping, good company, good customer service. Just a pleasure to deal with these people. If you have any issues with it, they'll take care of it right away. And I'm curious to see how this summer works out back here treating this grass with this backpack sprayer. So I appreciate it. Thanks again. Have a good day.